Rainlight by W.S. Merwin. All day the stars watch from long ago. My mother said, I am going now. When you are alone, you will be all right. Whether or not you know, you will know. Look at the old house in the dawn rain. All the flowers are forms of water. The sun reminds them through a white cloud, touches the patchwork spread on the hill, the wash colors of the afterlife that lived there long before you were born. See how they wake without a question, even though the whole world is burning. To my brother, by W.S. Merwin. Our mother wrote to you before you were born, a note you might open at some later date, in case she should not be there to tell you what was in her mind about wanting you when she had not seen you. That was before my time, and it never turned out like that. You never saw the letter, and she never saw you, who were perfect, they said, and dead within minutes, that far ahead of me and always looking the other way. And I would be the one to open the letter after she was gone. And you had answered it without a word before I was there to find out about you. Unseen elder, you perfect one, firstborn.